this could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What's good, YouTube? It's your guy DH Pyro back again with another video. Here we got SITH and First Order from Planet X Fireworks. SITH is 16 shots and First Order is 25 shots, both 200 grams. I don't know if there's a video out of both of these shot at the same time, but I felt like these both should be shot at the same time, being the fact that, of course, you know, SITH, First Order, got the whole Star Wars thing going on, and they actually go good together. They go well. You know, they pair up real well, very well. It says shoots flaming balls and reports on both of them. Shoots flaming balls and reports. Shoots flaming balls and reports. Yeah, that's all it says on that. Same with that. So here we go, y'all. SITH and First Order, 16 shots and 25 shots. Let's make some noise.
Nice big break. Nice big break. Like, comment, and subscribe.